bitches in 2019. Okay? Don't mess with us. You heard? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, go subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, Happy New Year's, even though it's the 5th day of the new year. And I hope you all spend it well with your friends and family. And yeah guys, so for today's video, I have a special guest, Alexis. So I've been knowing Alexis in high school. He's been my best friend. He still is my best friend. He's gonna teach me how to bake brownies, and this should be fun. Alright.
Not sponsored, so I'm not gonna show.
We're not sponsoring them because we don't sponsor nobody for free. So not even la leche. So so we're gonna get this cocaine. No, I'm playing. This powder. Have you opened? Imagine if I go out and everything drops.
Alright, here. Go to the box. It's not sponsored.
Okay. No play. So guys, this is powder.
Cocaine.
Wink wink. Chocolate powder. So what's next?
1.5 of milk. Well, I usually don't estimate. I just pour it in there. Like.
So guys, follow his instructions. Just pour it. Just pour it. So we're gonna get la leche, the milk, cause we need some milk.
And not the dirty cut.
I'm gonna put 1.5 of the leche.
Baka na chiva.
So we got this. Imagine if it spills. So the leche with the powder.
Now you're gonna add your vanilla extract. Also not sponsored.
We're not sponsoring you guys. So put vanilla.
Nothing is gonna be
Just
sponsored.
vanilla?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then you're gonna add the oil. Salt, please use to balance the sweetness.
So I'm scared with the salt. That's why I never add salt on my food. Okay, so you tell me.
Wait, what's it coming out? Wait.
It's coming. Just like a little bit.
You fill up the whole M, like, not whole shit, but like,
Just like a little bit. Like the meme.
Now you add your huevos.
Your eggs, girls. And guys. So
Do you know how to crack them? Alright, I'm just saying.
I make eggs at home too. That's the only thing I know how to cook.
But this bitch gave me cracking egg. You see the machine right there?
Okay. This?
Yeah.
Ooh. We're gonna be shooting bitches in 2019, you heard?
Not shooting.
We go. Vroom, vroom. Damn, that aggressive. Okay.
Because
Just like Ariana Grande says. Mix it, kiss it, make it right. He made me say, oh. I can't smell shit. So guys, here we have chocolate. Chocolate.
you just want to just spray this shit
On the
slowly.
butter spray, bitches.
Damn, she's so professional at that shit.
Alexis. No comment.
I'm talking about the spray. I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
No, I'm talking about I'm good at it too, you know.
I mean, if you guys like this video, there's been many more of
Yeah,
my
guys.
recipes.
Yep.
After that, you see how thick it is?
Yeah. Yummy in my tummy. Like this?
Yeah. Wow, it's professional.
I know. I'm so proud of myself.
When I mean she didn't know how to cook shit, she didn't know how to cook shit, yo.
Come on, you don't got to cook like that either.
I mean, how was your New Year, Alondra? How was your New Year?
My New Year was fine. I mean, I ate a lot.
You got drunk?
No, because I had work the next day. I had work the next day. That sucks. You? How was New Year's?
Bad. I was fucking sick. I was in bed all day.
Really? That sucks.
Any goals for 2019?
My goals is, you know, to stay happy, be positive, find myself a new boo, guys. I'm single, wink wink, ready to mingle. I'm free, guys. But no, I mean, yeah, it's just to be happy with myself and have fun. Travel.
Yeah.
I wanna travel.
Me
I really
too.
do. That's my number one priority. But yo, my bank account be looking really bad right now.
Relatable.
How about you?
I want the same thing. Like, I want to travel. Like, just put everything in here again. I want to travel, see the world. My number one goal, I think this year, try to go to Coachella.
Coachella? Oh my god.
I want, but if I do go, I'm gonna go Sunday.
On a Sunday.
Because I want to go see Bad Bunny. He's one of my favorite artists. His new album, I don't know what it's called though, but X 100P.
No que muy fan. Honestly, I've been wanting to go since like last year, but
The bank account.
tickets and shit,
And our bank account.
It's not cooperating with us, honestly.
Yes.
Really. I want to go because Ariana Grande's gonna go.
The same day as Bad Bunny. The same day.
I mean, I'm gonna see her anyways in June.
I mean, I'm also seeing Bad Bunny at his concert.
Really?
April 14th.
Oh, you're going?
Yeah.
I'm going in June to see my wife, Ariana Grande. My mom. Oh yeah. Mood.
After that,
Look at my work.
I mean,
I can think now. So whoever wants to marry me, I could bake you some brownies. So. Good.
Wait. You see? Touch the side.
Oh my god.
It's moist, right?
It's like spongy. This is gone. I'm taking it home. Bye, Alexis.
Alright, so yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys. This is good. It's really good. So, guys, if you really love this video, give this video a thumbs up. And also, go follow and subscribe to his channel. So, I will put his channel and his Instagram page on the description box down below. So, don't miss out. So, guys, if you really like this video, comment down below as well. If you guys want to see more cooking videos, because we have a lot in mind. But we also want to know your opinions as well. So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great 2019 and more blessings, more love for all of you guys. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.
When you run, come around, I know you're the talk of the town, yeah.